Hi. Have you ever wanted to work with some information that you copied off a web page? Well, I can show you how to bring it into Excel in 2 easy steps and then sort it or do whatever you wish to it. Let's get started. So, I've got this page open here, fantasy football, or fantasy hockey is what I'm working on right now because we're in the finals. So basically, I've copied some information by doing this and just hitting copy and pasted it into a file. So that file looks like this. It's got the headings, everybody's organized, everything looks like it's all lined up in columns anyways. So there's probably, looks like a tab character in there. So let's open Excel. I've got it open down here in a blank workbook. I'm going to File, Open, and I'm going to find that file that I saved, which is in Downloads. Now Excel won't find it because it's looking for Excel files. This is a text file. So we'll choose a text file. There's the file that I saved yesterday. Let's open it up. Now Excel wants to know what to do with the file. It defaults to delimited. Delimiters could be commas, tabs, or spaces. It is delimited. It does have headers. It's automatically selected tab, and tab seems to be the right choice because everything is lining up perfectly. So we'll leave it that way. You can change the type of column. If you have dates or text that appears as numbers, it's best to change that, especially if they're account numbers or something, and you want to preserve the format. Because if anything starts with a 0, a general format will eliminate all the zeros when it imports it, so it won't be the same. This is fine. We'll finish, and there it is. It's in Excel format, and now we can work with it. So if we wanted to sort this by best and worst, we could do that quite easily by going up here and sorting. Because we left the column headers in, we'll leave it smallest to largest. There. That's all there is to do. See you again. I hope you found this video useful. For advice on this or any other software, my contact information follows. If you like the video and want to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again.